Hi guys, welcome to the Dollar Tree. Let's check out what's here. They're bringing all the fall stuff out and the school stuff is already on the wall, guys. Let's check it out. Okay, so here I wanted to show you guys. We have a 24 pack of pencils. That's $1. Over here we have the highlighters. And these are 9. No, it's an 8 pack for $1. And here, guys, is the multi-pack, multi-color. Okay. And then we're starting out at the bottom down here. So we have that pack of pens. This is the ink clip clicks in an 8 pack for $1. And these are all the blue. Then over here we have more highlighters in the multi, and here's the regular ones. So then here, guys, you have the 8 pack of the black ones. Then over here we have, I think these are school planners. These are really cool, guys. I carry this in my bag. I can't get them out. Let me see. This one says, follow your dreams. These have the sunglasses, guys. So some of them I can take out, some of them I can't. Okay, so I think that one is pineapples. Maybe this side is easier. Yeah, these are the pineapple ones. They cool? Yep. And what is this? So these are kind of cute, guys. I like these. These are bigger. The calendars are bigger. This is really nice. That's a student planner also. So you have Make Today Great, Seize the Day, Academic Planner. Okay, and here's a watermelon one. Isn't that cute? Guys, those are so cute. Okay, so these, I love these. I absolutely love these highlighters. Okay. And you know what? I think I need one. So I'm just going to place that here. So let's come over to this corner. So then here we have the Jot permanent markers. And those go all the way to the top, guys. Then next to that, we have also permanent markers. But these are only black. Then these here are the Sharpies. So this is the ultra fine tip. Okay, and they come in this pink, this purple, this color green, that's a nice color green, and this yellow, this orange, and this blue. Then over here we have these, they call flowers, flower markers by Jot. You get a 6 pack. So those guys go all the way to the top. And you know what? They say different things. This one says flowers, this one says scented, that one says stamp, and those two up there say line. So I think I'm going to grab some of these too. Now look at this. The dry erase markers is an 8 pack, guys, for $1. Here's the multicolor for $1. So you have 2 rows of those. And then you have these, the Expo. This is dry erase marker in the blue. Let me see. I think here it is. The blue, the black, the red, the green. That's pretty cool, guys. I don't know if you can see back there. So they have those, the Expos. Then here you have the dry erase markers, the pointed tip. Okay, so these here, guys, are the pointed tip, and then this here must have a different tip. This is the chisel tip. And then these are called Bic Intensity. I've never tried those. I don't know, maybe I will. Okay, guys, and then on top, I can't reach those, but that's red and blue. Then the contour, those guys are the highlighters, all the way down to here. And then here, guys, you have the pens. Okay, I don't know if these are all black because that's a green. So anyway, you have a 3 pack there. And this is by Pentel. Then over here you have your gel pens in the blue, and then here's the multicolor. And guys, you have these all the way to the top. Now these 2 rows here, the gel pens are in black and the top ones are in blue. Okay. I don't think I've tried the zebra pens. I don't know, maybe I should. I don't know, we'll see. And then these are the ballpoint pens. I absolutely love these pens, guys. Maybe I'll grab another one. Then you have these pens here with the googly eyes. He's so cute. All right, so you got all that all the way down. Now these, I've never tried these. So these are mechanical pencils, okay, by ink, and they're black and white. Then here is one, the pen with the stylus. This is the llama. This is the sloth, and that is the unicorn up on top. Then next to that you have the prang. So this line of prang pencils, color pencils, is new to this Dollar Tree. So here's what that looks like. So they have the paint in the craft section. Then next to that, you have these, what is that? The color pencils. Okay, so, and who makes this? Liquid Mark. Okay, so it's a 10-pack of colored pencils all the way to the top for $1. Next to that, you have the 10-pack of the number 2 pencils, and those are 10 for $1. Okay, so these here is the multicolor, these are mechanical pencils in the multicolor. And then here, let's see, those are mechanical pencils also, but those are by Jot. Those are $8. Then next to that, you have a 12-pack of designer pencils. When I say designer, printed pencils with different designs on them. Look at that one, that's so cute. And this one. So you have 2 rows of those, and they're 12 packs all the way down. Then here, I like these. So these are primary pencils. Yeah, these are number 2 pencils. I'm sorry, I don't know. They're number 2. But these are pencils, guys. I'm loving the thickness of them. They are number 2 pencils. See that? So that's pretty cool. I like the size of them. They're good for when kids are starting to write. I like that. I'm sorry, guys. I have a pile going. So you have those. And then these guys are also mechanical pencils. We are really big on mechanical pencils. This is by Zebra, though. Those go all the way to the top. Then you have your erasers from the top all the way to here. And then these here are the pencil grips. And then you have a 6-pack of these erasers, guys, all the way to here. And then Pentel has their white eraser tips all the way to the top. Next to that, you have the erasers in multicolor. This one is by Ink, and they have little things on them. Like this one is Groovy Grape, Blazing Blueberry, apple, strawberry, orange. That's pretty cool. So you got 3 rows of that. Then you have the sharpeners, guys, and inside the sharpeners they have like little eraser tips. That is pretty cool. I think you can see it better there. So they have that all the way to the top. Then they have those little mini staplers. Aren't they adorable, guys? I think they're so adorable. Okay, all the way down. Then you have your scissors. Okay, your Jot scissors. And then you have these, the double pack. Okay, you get 2 in the pack by Jot. Some more planners. Okay, down here you have the clipboards, the composition notebooks. Then you have these notepads. Look how cute, guys. Isn't that adorable? Okay, that's the ice cream cone, and this is the cactus, says be kind. So they have different kind, guys. Then they have this one. Okay, so this one's on the smaller side, and it is lined. But these are your pencil holders, and look at all the colors that they have. Then they have the glues, the Jot glue. So look, they have the purple, the pink, the green. That's pretty cool, guys. Then they have, here's your glue sticks. You get an 8-pack for $1. You can't beat that. That's so nice. Then you have these tall ones, and I showed you these planners already, and these are the pens, and here's your notebooks and your spiral notebooks all along here, all along the bottom. You have your dry erase boards down here, and look at this. Yeah, I think that's, yeah, these are all dry erase boards right here. Then you have your Jot scissors. Okay, this is the double of the Scotch tape, and then this here are your index dividers. That's pretty cool. And then you have these pencil pouches. Look how pretty these are. Okay, these for $1. Okay, they don't say anything on them. Then you have more pencil pouches over here. This is a double pack of pencil cases, and some more here. Then you have your index cards here, and your post-it notes here, and here your index cards. I like these. Look, they come in colors. The covers, they come in colors. I think that's pretty cool. Then you have, let's go up here. All right, so you have the 3-hole punch, okay, notebook hole punch, and those come in colors, guys. I think that's a neat idea. Then you have your rulers in colors all the way to the top. Now over here you have the 3-pack, and here's the 2-pack in the wood. Okay, so you got the double rows of here, and then look at this, you have a compass. I think that's adorable. And those even come in colors. Isn't that cool? They didn't have this stuff when I was in school. And the most, I mean, I absolutely love the scientific calculator, guys. Look at that. I didn't even know they had them, but there it is. So here's your calculator. And then I'm really liking this pencil holder, guys. And look, they come in colors. And then those magnetic clips right there, those are really pretty too. And then here are the mirrors for the lockers. So those come in colors. Well, here, yeah, those come in colors. That's purple and black. And here is that green. And there's the pink. That's pretty cool. So now, let me just skim through this real quick. We have the binders. We have the pencil cases right here. We have the calendars. Here we have the Xerox paper, or the paper, I'm sorry, not Xerox paper. This is the paper fillers that go inside the binders. So you have a 200 count for $1. That's not bad. Here's some more pencil cases, and here are the little pouches. Aren't they adorable? Then here you have some more. Okay, that's what you have here. You have the binders, the dividers, the folders. These are really cute, guys. So this says girls vibe. Here's be kind. The green one says sweet. Then you have this one that says be strong. See that? Be strong. That's really neat. Then you have your binders in all sizes, guys. And actually, they don't have the really big one. That's not here. That's already finished. So these school supplies are already going. So if I look behind me, I want to show you all of their flowers. So along the top, you have the sunflowers in the yellow and the orange, and you even have the little smaller ones right there. Then here are your leaves, your foliage right here. Okay, and then you come here, look, you have your cotton stems. These are your bouquets, your cotton stems, and look how pretty. So here's your leaves. Look at your purple flowers over here. So I'm just going to scan that through for you so that you can take a look. These are really pretty too. And these little baby sunflowers are really pretty. Okay. Then this side here is your mums. Your hydrangeas. This purple is really gorgeous, guys. And you have these. Look how pretty. This is very pretty too, these hydrangeas, the mums. And then this purple is really pretty. And look at this green. This is so gorgeous. The white and this like coral light, and that's burgundy. So along the bottom here you have these LED little lanterns that light up. And then you have whatever's left over of the succulents. And here is your fall signs, guys. Those are coming out. Those are your planter buckets right there. So you already have your harvest stakes out, guys. Look at this. So you have the scarecrow. Here's the owl. Okay, and here is the pumpkin. And here are the sunflower stakes. I'm loving these. Okay, so this says hello autumn. This one says harvest blessings. These are new, guys. So these must have just came in to my Dollar Tree. And I'm liking this hello welcome fall. I like that one. I think I'm going to grab that one. Here, guys, are the placemats. Are those not adorable, guys? So they have that print. And then from what I'm seeing, let me show you what they brought into this one. Here you have that one. You have the leaves. Make sure I didn't leave any out. Okay, so you have the leaves. Then you have the pumpkin. Isn't that gorgeous? You can make so many things with these. And let's see. And more pumpkin. Okay, so that's what they have. That's what they have here. And then they have the placemats. So these come in the colors. The orange, the green, here's the brown. Here's the green. Yeah, it's just repeat. So here you have your garland with the leaves. Okay, that goes from the top all the way down. Then you have your little bags of foliage. Just a 50 count right here. I like these, the maple leaves. Aren't they gorgeous? So they have the maple leaves out. Here's the disc drying mat all the way to the top. So they have the brown bottom, the green, and the orange. And then here is your oven mitts and your pot holders. So then they have these flour sack towels. This one says hello fall. That one says pie's the limit. How cute. That one has some recipes for pumpkin pie. Those are new, guys. And then this one back here that says eat ham with a turkey. That is so cute, guys. Okay, we have the big, tall harvest bags, gift bags. Aren't they cute? So this is pretty much all they have. Oh, look, and they have the little acorns. Oh, and down here, I just missed this, guys. Okay, this says Autumn Blessings in the green. Let me see. Autumn Blessings in the white. And then this one says Be Grateful and Give Thanks. So that's what they have right here in the front of the store, guys. So thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to look at their little harvest area that they're bringing out in their school supplies. I will see you in the next video.